Hi, welcome back, and this is Detail in Product. Hello and welcome back to Detail in Product, the Instagram mini-series where we take out one of our products and give you the what, when and how. Today we're going to be focusing on our Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. So what is it? Well, it's a wheel cleaner that's safe on all factory finishes, but it works a little bit different. Typically you would wet the wheel first, apply a wheel cleaner, let it dwell for a few minutes and rinse off, whereas this one needs to be applied to a dry wheel. That's because it's a gel-like substance that clings to the wheel and carries on breaking down those iron deposits, dirt and grime to make it easier when agitating or rinsing off. So when are you going to use it? Typically anytime you clean the car. It is pH balanced, which means it's nice and safe on all factory coated wheels, so you can never really use it too much. So how are you going to use it? Well, first of all, make sure the wheels are nice and cool. Then spray from the bottom of the wheel and tyre to the top. And you can do a left and right motion as well. This gets a nice even spray on the wheel and tyre. The reason we do this is as the product runs down the wheel, it interacts with more wheel cleaner, providing more cleaning power. You then want to agitate it with a brush if you've got heavily contaminated wheels, or jet wash or hose away. And a really cool fun fact about the product, it contains properties that interact with the iron and road grime and turn it purple, so it always looks really cool for Instagram. And that's it for another episode of Detail in Product. Today we talked about our Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. So we've talked about what it is. So it's a wheel cleaner, but you use it on a dry wheel. We talked about when you're going to use it, typically anytime you want to clean the car. And we talk about how to use it, preferably on a dry wheel, and work your way from the bottom to the top for maximum cleaning power. Unfortunately, I've been Dale, but fortunately this has been Detail in Products. Now if you want to see more information about our products, you can just head over to our YouTube channel.